Hi everybody, I'm doing fine. You guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button, touch that thumbs up because that would help our vlogs out a lot, you guys. So today I'm doing a DIY fabric softener, and what you will need was them little crystals that are Purex crystals, fabric softener, some vinegar, and that's distilled vinegar and baking soda. Well, soda. And then you'll need like an empty bottle of some sort, whatever you have, laying around your house. Definitely don't trash it. Use it for something that's good, like this fabric softener. And then a measuring cup. I have my Pyrex measuring cup. I love this measuring cup. A straw, yeah, a straw, because I didn't want to use my other stuff. And a bowl. And then we're going to warm that water up real soon. And I think I already like warmed it up a little bit. So you will need some warm water. I put it on 125 in the microwave and warmed up that water so that I can add my Purex crystals, fabric softeners inside this water to dilute it. Pretty much this is going to make it kind of like the base of the fabric softener, if you know what I mean. I found this little idea DIY on Pinterest. So yeah. And I'm just like loving doing this type of stuff, like finding different ways to save on money and budget. Y'all know I'm a mom on a budget, so this is single parent life. So what I'm gonna do is just pour this inside the bottle. Oops. And definitely, if you get this on your cabinets or whatever, you want to like right then and there, like wipe it off because that the blue stuff from the crystals, as you can tell, ended up on my cabinet. It didn't, and like really, it didn't want to come off, so I had to literally like scrub the cabinet. So what I'm gonna do is measure the baking soda. I think I did like a half a cup of baking soda. I'm not sure. But whatever you measure your crystals out to, like if you do a cup of crystals, then you'll measure your baking soda out to a cup and then your vinegar out to a cup as well. So you want to definitely go ahead and put that vinegar in there. And this is almost like a science project, you guys. So kids, make sure you do this with your parents. Make sure y'all do this together because this stuff will like bubble over. But it was so fun. I was like shocked when I saw it. I was like, what is going on? And it sounded like soda, like soda, like when you first open it and it make all those sizzling noise, like CO2 or whatever. But as you can tell, it's bubbling up. So to make it stop bubbling really fast, it's just start stirring it really quick and don't stop stirring it until those bubbles like kind of like calm down. And then you can start adding more and more or however much you want to add to make your fabric softener. That's what you would do like over and over. So yeah. So now I'm going to add the vinegar because I'm going to do this like one more time because I want at least a full or a half a bottle of fabric softener. But yeah. And I will be testing this fabric softener out as well, you guys. So come along and join us and see if we like it or see if we don't like it. And so far it smells really, really good. So yeah. So, like I always say, you might want to go ahead and just start cleaning your area. I don't know why I didn't clean my area while I was like doing this. I think I was just too excited because what I was seeing, like everything, the vinegar and the baking soda bubbling up like that. I was like, okay, okay. Like I really thought I was like gonna make a whole mess on my cabinet, and I was just like, I was not ready for that. I wasn't prepared. So yeah. So definitely go ahead and stir everything up together inside of the bottle. This is why you really need a straw to do this. This came with one of my, I think it was like one of my little water bottles that I had. And I think I just kept this straw or whatever. But this straw really came in handy. And then like I realized that where I said they were fixing the water pipes and the water that came out that sink, I was not like feeling it. It didn't look like water. So that's why I went into our refrigerator and got fresh water because they are working on pipes and stuff. So look at Miss Mary Poppins up in here. She Poppins. But yeah, as you can see, I literally like I'm always just getting off work and just coming straight to the house to vlog so that I can get this vlog out. And today I didn't get it out too quick. So, and she just grooved tonight. Mm, mm, mm. But the feel is right. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. So I'm seeing myself like, hey, AJJ. When I be looking at myself in the vlogs, I be like, oh, that girl is so cray cray. But you guys, I'm like the funnest person to be around, like the lovingest person, you guys. So I put that water on 125 and I'm just kind of tidying up my space, making sure I got everything put together. So when I'm done with the vlog, I won't have to have so much to do as far as washing the dishes. So basically just clean up as I go. So definitely put your warm water in your measuring cup. And just mix. So what I just did is just mixed all the baking soda from the bottom into the water so that I can add the water into my DIY fabric softener. So I at least got like a half a bottle of fabric softener and I'm okay with that. So each time that you use this fabric softener, make sure that you shake it really good. Like, girl, you better whip it real good. So yeah. Bye. I'm just fumbling around. Y'all know. Yes.